So, our way out of Nuremberg, we just meet this Bismarck monument from the Second World War. Guys, look at this. Still have the Nazi eagle there. Saying Bismarck now, but before probably it was the swastika there. Wow, it's cool. All the, if you see, even the traces of the architecture. The Second World War is 1930s. Look, the angel holding this sword. Guys, this is totally, wow, it's a historical monument. The cannons of the art from the period of the Second World War, of the Nazi period, is here. This is cool to visit. Of course, Second World War was not a cool period. Cool, we still have some part of art still subsists, because usually all of this art of the time of the National Socialists was destroyed. And here in Nuremberg, to Bismarck, a monument to Bismarck. So, it was here that this crazy Austrian guy, from 1933 when he came to power, until 1938 when he rallied these huge speeches, this totally crazy. It was inside, to that side of the doors. Unfortunately, it's closed, but it's still here, and it's huge. And also here, where Raifi, this cineast, very famous from this period, she did clips to her movies, to German propaganda movies. The German propaganda movies started here. I could say, like, the propaganda that we know it nowadays, its genesis was here, with this kind of close shots. We are in a historical place, sad and terrible historical place. The Zeppelin Platz. It was also here where the Zeppelins were like, it was like a Zeppelin airport, not an airport, because airport is really difficult. But where the Zeppelins used to take off, it was from here, man. The big Zeppelins, the ones that one of them to Edinburgh, it was destroyed. It was burned down in the United States. So imagine 1933 when Adolf Hitler came to power until 1938. Here, this guy. This crazy Austrian Verrückt, he made these speeches here. Still, you can still see it. Quite cool. I figured out that man, this is easy access. You just pass here, park the car here, and you come to this place. We are in the Zeppelin field, where this Austrian crazy bastard rallies troops here. Let's go to the place where the terrible assassin used to assist the speeches. Oh, some people with the cars. So I think we can just pass. And the people staying here and clap their hands to the assassin, the verrucht assassin. We are in the place. Between 1933, 90 years ago, the crazy man, the crazy Austrian was here, in this same place. And look, imagine you pass through these doors and they're just climbing the stairs where he and his crazy followers, like Goebbels, the propaganda minister, they were here, right in this place. A little bit different for sure. Not a football field, but with this full of people around here. I think this the door where the dictator used it, the fascist dictator used it to come to this place. Probably he was there. Let's go to the place where Adolf Hitler stand 90 years ago. Where from here, the crazy man ordered the commander of the killing of millions, like Polish Jews, everyone. The dictator place was here, for sure. We are in Nuremberg, Zeppelin field. From here, a maniac tried to conquer the world. So, how is this 90 years ago? Check this out. We are here. We are here, guys. All this still resists, still remains, but not the columns. The columns gone. This horrible symbol was destroyed too, gone, and also the side symbols no more. But they're still there. It's still left there. See? It's interesting. This was based in the altar of Pergamon. The altar of Pergamon is in Berlin. And here is the symbol of the terror. So from this photo, you can understand that we were here, where the Bastardia is. And this is the field in front of us, and here is the other part that is there. See? It's there. There. The guy was here. Shit.
Inside Germany itself, the Allies seized the famous stadium of Nuremberg, scene of countless Nazi party rallies. With the capture of this famous southern German city, the American flag flouts out the swastika. In a symbolic gesture, American troops destroy the Nazi party emblem.
So we just arrived to Munich. This is our room. Amazing.
Yes, this is our room. Time to TV and relax.
Time to TV, to relax. Time to finish for today. Let's gonna only check how is the poo-poo place. Always important to see how the toilets are. Poo-poo place.
It's clean. I check.
No, I was gonna see if it's clean. I'm gonna see if our toilet is big. I like big toilets. Oh, I can even brush my teeth here. My wife can brush her teeth there. Shit, it's so good. Oh, look at this. Hydromassage? No hydromassage. Unfortunately, but we have nice. Oh, we can take shower at the same time. One here, one there. So good. Money. Now, my friends, for today, it's over. Time to relax. Let's relax and enjoy the... See you tomorrow.